default, there is a third purpose as well, which is called tracking purpose. Each compliance profile has a specific purpose for tracking user interactions, like what are the messages they have opened, what are the links they have clicked. Like commercial and transactional purpose, the enforcement model for tracking consent can be changed. So if we click on this tracking purpose here, it will open a new form, and here you can change the enforcement model to either restrictive, non-restrictive, or disabled. Out of the box, it is non-restrictive, which means that unless the user opts out, all the user behavior would be tracked. To collect tracking consent, you need to add the tracking purpose to all the forms and preference center. And tracking consent is also considered for the form prefill feature as well.